From humble beginnings just over 30 years ago, JC Metalworks now operates from a state-of-the-art 60,000 square feet factory and offers laser cutting, punching, forming, panel bending, MIG and TIG welding, an in-house powder coating facility and final assembly. Did you know that at JC Metalworks we have the capability to take a sketched brief, engineer a design, take that design right through the development process, including prototyping, through to production, final assembly and delivery? All done in-house by our teams of trained, experienced and fully qualified staff. Our 95 staff work together as a team to ensure manufacturing excellence, offering our clients engineering solutions that add value and impact, but which are at the same time innovative, creative and cost-effective. Based on project feasibility, we also have the option of manufacturing in India with a trusted partner, all project managed through our UK team. Our continuous investment programme has ensured that we have the very latest cutting-edge equipment, including the new Armada fibre laser, Salvagnini P4 panel bender and a new Armada press brake. This means that we're able to offer our clients a compelling mix of cost-effectiveness, quality and precision, coupled with an ability to deliver against even the most challenging of timelines. We're also extremely proud to be one of only a few in our sector that has gained both ISO 9001 quality standard and ISO 14001 environmental standard. We're also a member of SEDEX, an organisation dedicated to driving improvements in ethical and responsible business practices in global supply chains. If we had to sum up what the JC Metalworks difference is, we would say that it's a blend of our technical knowledge, the way we deliver client service via our account and project management, mixed with our manufacturing and assembly capabilities that really delivers on our clients' needs. So, for creativity, value, service and quality in a competitive market, look no further than JC Metalworks. Call us to discuss your next project.